Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these plants are perfect for adding a natural touch to your health routine. Let's get started! First up, aloe vera, a plant famous for its healing properties. This sun-loving succulent is perfect for treating minor burns, cuts, and skin irritations. Growing aloe vera is a breeze. It thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and requires minimal watering. Let's keep our skin happy with this green healer. Next, let's talk about peppermint. This aromatic herb isn't just for freshening your breath, it's a digestive aid too. Peppermint can soothe an upset stomach and help with indigestion. It loves moist soil and partial shade. Plus, its refreshing aroma is a delightful addition to any urban garden. Chamomile, known for its calming properties, is up next. This dainty flower can help reduce anxiety and promote a restful sleep. Chamomile enjoys full sun and well-drained soil. Imagine unwinding after a long day with a cup of homegrown chamomile tea. Lavender, the queen of relaxation, is a must-have. Its fragrance can reduce stress and improve sleep quality. Lavender thrives in full sun and dry, well-drained soil. Not only is it medicinal, but it also adds a splash of color and fragrance to your urban oasis. Moving on to lemon balm. This lemon-scented herb is known for its ability to ease anxiety and improve cognitive function. It prefers partial shade and moist soil. Add a few leaves to your tea or salad for a zesty, healthy twist. Echinacea, a beautiful and powerful immune booster, is next on our list. This plant is known for its ability to fight colds and flu. Echinacea loves full sun and well-drained soil. Grow your own to harness its health benefits right in your backyard. Ginger, a root with a kick. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties and digestive aid, ginger can easily be grown in pots. It prefers filtered sunlight and consistently moist soil. Add fresh ginger to your meals for a healthy zing. Basil, more than just a culinary delight, has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. This easy-to-grow herb loves sunlight and regular watering. Incorporate fresh basil into your diet to boost your health and your meals. Thyme is not just for cooking, it's also a natural cough remedy. This hardy herb prefers full sun and well-drained soil. Its antiseptic and antifungal properties make it a great addition to your medicinal garden. Lastly, we have sage. This aromatic herb is known for its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Sage thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. It's perfect for treating sore throats and boosting overall health. And there you have it, fellow urban gardeners. 10 medicinal plants that are perfect for growing at home. But wait! And now, a special bonus for our Urban Garden Republic viewers. Elderberry. This plant is a superstar in the world of medicinal herbs. Known for its immune-boosting properties, elderberry is especially beneficial during cold and flu season. Elderberry prefers full sun and well-drained soil. You can use the berries to make syrups, teas, and even jams. Just a friendly reminder, make sure to cook elderberries before consumption, as raw berries can be harmful. Add this incredible plant to your garden for an extra health kick. Remember, while these plants offer health benefits, they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. Thank you for watching Urban Garden Republic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, keep those thumbs